Hi everyone, this is Tom Rowe, Product Evangelist for CentreStack. Welcome to CentreStack. Today I'm going to go over a new feature that's been added, the enhanced file locking on local folder when the folder is attached to the cloud via the server agent. This has been included as an enhancement on version 9.7.5615, 41589. And I wanted to go over that and how it has improved the way that people can collaborate, in particular with Microsoft Office type files, such as an Excel file. So here I am, and I'll go ahead and log in as the tenant administrator. In order to illustrate what's happening, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new team folder. But I'm going to start by attaching a folder from the server agent. So let's jump to our virtual machines. Here I have a Windows 7 client, which is being operated by Bob. I have a Windows 10 client that's being operated by Alice. And I have a server agent, which is a location where I can attach folders. So in order to do that, I'm going to get into my console. And in the server agent machine, you can run this command in a command prompt, and that will bring up the console. So here's the server console. What I want to do is attach under the Acme Systems file server Acme Systems. I'm going to attach a local folder. So I'm going to browse to locate that folder. It's under the C, and it's Team Share SA. Go ahead and finish. And there it is. Okay. So now I'm going to go to the web portal, and let's go ahead and refresh this. There's the folder. Now I want to go ahead and log in to Acme Systems. Now there's my share. So I'm going to need to add collaborators to this folder. As you can see, there are none. All right. So we'll add a collaborator, existing users, and I'm going to make Alice and Bob my collaborators. We'll save that. Now I'm going to go over here, and let's go and look at our folder. You can see that now Bob has access to the team folder, Team Shares SA. And inside of there, under Users, we have a invoice. Now let's bounce over to the Windows 10 machine, where I'm going to look at Windows Client. I can see that Alice also has access to that folder. And the same My Invoice file. So Alice is going to edit that file and open it in Excel. I'm just going to add Alice Edit. And I'm going to leave it open for a second. Alright, now when we jump over here, I'm going to open My Invoice. You can see that it says Acme Systems. It's being edited by Alice Doe. So it's letting me know right away that this is not the current file. And if I go ahead and hit Bob Edit and then hit Save, it tells me that it's a read-only file. Now I could save it with another name, or in a different location if I wanted to go ahead and begin editing this file. But instead I'm going to acknowledge that that is in use and just close it without saving. So we go back over to Alice. She's going to go ahead and save that file. And if I go back over here and open the file, now we can see that Alice has edited it. And I can also see down here that it's letting me know that it was updated. Let's see, and Bob edit. Hit save. And close that. Go back over here. We can see that we've got both Alice and Bob's edit. And it let me know that there's been some update. Now if I try and open it here again, it tells me that it's currently being edited by Alice because it's open on Alice's machine. So as you can see by this simple demonstration, it's indeed true that we now have enhanced the file locking on a local folder when the folder is attached to the cloud via the server agent. Okay, so I hope you found this useful, and check back for more tutorials. If you thought this was helpful, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe so you can see future updates. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.